Okay everybody, it is almost the third time I'm recording this video. This break a little. Why? Because I don't know, my video recorder is lagging and creating problem for me. But today we are going to speak about the references. We create this page, but as you see, it's not look as beautiful as we want. And we are going to show you the reference slide at the end of the presentation, and it is the last slide we are going to show. You see here, this one's not aligned. What should we do? We should go here and just simply click on that, and everything is look as great as you can see. I prefer just it dots, but you can use, for example, something like this. It's also your thing, and we are going to format the background. Because why? Because this solid background is not the thing we like. It's not really likable. We change it to the gradient fill that I created. I created the gradient fill easily with a blue and a purple. And you see it's at the end of presentation, it gave a good vibe. It's nice for having. This is the references slide, but I prefer, if you don't study all of these slides, I prefer you read a little about them before adding them to your presentation, because sometimes the professor or the ones ask about the slides, ask about the references, and it's okay to know a little more about the references you are giving. But one of the most important things is that your pictures must have references. Look like this picture, it created it but AI. But what it means, your picture need to have references. Let's say we are going to searching in the net and we like this picture and we want to use it in our presentation. We copy the image. Okay, it's easily we copy that and paste it here. And then we are going to use it. But in the presentation, sometimes the professor or the CEO asks you where this picture come from, and you have no answers because you forget to put the references. You just, what you do, you go here, the copy image address and paste it here. You see, but it's really ugly in your presentation, I guess. What we do, we reduce the size to 10 or 11, it's up to, and then bring it back in the lower part of your presentation or below this picture. What I mean below this picture, something like this in the end or below this picture. Let me just create it for you to better seeing. Something like this below this picture or at the end of your presentation. That means your picture has references. And sometimes you use pictures that created by AI. You can't just say in the presentation that the pictures are created by AI, but if you want more, you can just easily tell them. Right here, for example, picture created by Copilot, and give the addresses, give the site's addresses. It's are useful, or picture is created by AI. And that's it for this lesson. Don't forget, if you like our works, subscribe and like, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, bye.